All right, on tonight's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a cheap way to entertain your dog with a throw toy. Now, we've tried all of them, the cylinder style, the one that looks like a pheasant, the one that looks like the comedy chicken. None of those last very long. Our dog just chews the heck out of them. And 2 days later, there's just pieces of it all over the yard. So, here is how you do it. Basically, all you need is an empty soda bottle with the lid and some rocks. So, dig them out of your driveway, your landscaping, your neighbor's landscaping, or wherever. You could actually go buy some rocks at a store as well too if you wanted. But anyway, just load them in here. Now the key obviously is making sure that they're small enough to fit in the bottle. And there's no exact weight. I mean, the smaller your dog, obviously the less weight you would want it to be. But you want it heavy enough so you can throw it out there a ways. So the dog can get some exercise and then get eventually tired so you don't have to throw it as many times. Load it up here. Ooh, that was close. Make it fit. All right, so you get enough rocks in there, and it doesn't matter that that one's stuck in the top. It'll help with the weight. Next step is squeeze it. So that way your dog will be able to get its jaws around it and bring it back to you when you throw it. And there you go. Have a throw toy. Hold it here. Throw it out in the yard, and away you go. Now, some of you may be saying, there's no way. My dog's not going to... That toy's not going to work. Well, let me grab the one we're replacing. Yeah, she used the heck out of this one. And this lasted about a month. Whereas the store-bought ones, about 2 days is all we'd get out of them. So, there you go. There's a quick, easy, and cheap way to make your dog a throw toy. Thanks.